Hey guys, welcome back to Madeira Farms. Today we are putting up a security light. My friends over at Onforu sent me a security light and I am so excited to put it up. If you guys know anything about security on a farm or even on your home, you know it's really important, and especially on a farm because we have a lot of things going on. We have a lot of animals, we have a lot of tractors and all kinds of stuff that could possibly be taken. And yeah, we don't want that to happen. So we are going to set up this security light. We're going to show you how it works. We're going to show you what it looks like at night. And I hope you guys grab yourself one. I'm going to go ahead and put everything in the description below, but let's jump into it. First things first, it came to us in this box. It has all of the information right here on the front. You can see that it is the security light right here. We're gonna go ahead and open this box and let's see what we got. So first of all, it comes with a remote control, and you can see all of the different options that you have: sunset, dusk, night, timer, 2 hours to 8 hours, and then standby for 12 hours. This is pretty nifty. Let's get to the light. How about it? There we go. Look at that. So this is LED. It is 3 separate lights. This is the sensor, and then these are the lights. They are adjustable, so you can move them if you want those to point more towards the ground and then this to point out, whatever you want to do. The instructions. So we're going to go ahead and get this put up so I can show you guys exactly how it works. I'm real excited about this one. First things first, you want to make sure none of your wires are live. So you're going to want to shut off that breaker. We already had a security light right here in our garage, so we are just replacing it. It's actually been a couple years since we even thought about replacing it, so this is working out perfect. But I am just putting on the new bracket that they sent me, and it was super easy. It's only 2 screws, and you just need to make sure you put your ground wire onto this bracket. And then from there, I am just going to disconnect the old wires from the light that we used to have, and then I will reconnect the wires that they gave me. They provide you with everything that you need to be able to change out the light, or if you need to install a new one, they at least give you the things that you need once you get the wiring set to where you want it on your garage, on your barn, wherever you're going to put it. So here is the new light. Again, I am not an electrician. I honestly don't really know what I was doing. I just read the instructions, which were great, and they just said connect the white wire to the white wire, connect the black wire to the black wire, and then connect the ground. I did not want my husband to help me because I wanted to give you guys an honest review on the instructions. If I can do this, then anyone can do it. I am not great at electrical work, so I really wanted to make sure that this was something super easy that even I could understand, and their instructions were very easy to understand, no problems whatsoever. So I just made sure to get those all on nice and tight, and then I tucked the wires back into the electrical box, I believe it's what it's called. Clearly, I have no idea, but I just tucked them back in so that I could fit the light right over top. One thing that I really love about this light is that the main screw is right in the middle. The old light that we used to have here had a screw on the bottom and then a little clasp on the top, and as you can see, it sits right under one of the pieces of our siding, so it was really hard to get off, whereas this just has the one screw right in the middle. And if I'm being honest, the first time I put this light up, I actually put the sensor on the top, and then my husband came out to see how my progress was going, and he's like, I think the sensor needs to be on the bottom. And since it only had that one screw right in the middle, I could easily turn it around, no problems whatsoever. So that was a good thing for me. Here I'm just adjusting the big LED light. It does have a screw so that you can tilt it up, down, whatever you need. And as you can see, it looks really nice. The instructions say what mode you want it in. So I am going to put it as dusk. Oh, here's the remote, and then I'm gonna hit this, and then dusk. And I don't really want like a timer on it. So that should work. I'm just gonna do a quick test to make sure they work. All right, it's nighttime. We're gonna see. Oh, yeah, she works. Definitely nice and bright. So if anyone is coming onto our property, we can definitely see it lights up a lot of area. I changed the lights a little bit more, so yeah, you can definitely see it goes out into the yard and then it goes all the way over to our garden. This is much, much better than what we had before. All right, guys, that's it. If I can do it, you can definitely do it. And it's always great to have some sort of security feature on your home, on your homestead, on your farm, whatever it is. And we're so excited to be working with these guys. I will put a bunch of information in the description so you guys can see all the products that they offer, and go grab yourself one. I hope you have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, friends.